Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit with IELTS. First, research the specific work permit requirements for your target country. Each nation has unique criteria, so understanding these early is crucial. Next, ensure your IELTS score meets the minimum language proficiency. Finally, begin gathering all necessary personal and professional documents, such as your passport and educational certificates. After understanding the requirements, register for and successfully complete your IELTS examination. A good score is vital for your application. If your target country requires it, obtain an educational credential assessment for your qualifications. Also, ensure all non-English documents are translated into English by a certified translator to avoid any delays in processing. Now it's time to complete the official work permit application form accurately. Double-check all details to prevent errors. You will also need to pay the required application fees, which typically range from $150 to $250. Finally, submit your entire application package through the designated online portal, ensuring all documents are attached. After submitting your application, you might be asked to attend an interview or provide additional information. Respond promptly to any requests. It's important to monitor your application status regularly through the online system for updates. Once your work permit is officially approved, you can then prepare for your exciting relocation to your new country.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.